One day a man was offered two gifts. The first gift was $1 million asterisk. The second gift was asterisk, 1 extra hour every day for the rest of his life asterisk. Most people chose the money, but the man who chose the extra hour became one of the most successful people in the world. Because money can be earned again. But time, once it's gone forever. Today, you will understand why highly successful people value time more than money, and how this single mindset can completely change your life. There was a man named Adam, Adam was not rich. He was not famous. He was just like most people. He worked hard every day. He earned money. But somehow his life never moved forward. Every night Adam said, "One day I will be successful." But days passed. Months passed. Years passed. And nothing changed. Adam thought the problem was money ***. He believed, if I had more money, my life would be better. But he was wrong. Adam noticed something strange. People with less talent became successful. People with less education became rich. People with less luck moved ahead. And Adam asked himself, why them, why not me? One day, an old successful man said to him, "You don't have a money problem. You have time problem ***. That sentence changed Adam forever. The old man explained, "If I lose money today, I can earn it again tomorrow. But if I waste 1 hour today, I can never get it back." Adam had never thought like this. He wasted hours scrolling. He wasted hours complaining. He wasted hours waiting. Successful people do not waste time. They protect it ***. Successful people wake up and think, how can I use today wisely? Unsuccessful people wake up and think, how can I pass today easily? Time is treated like gold by successful people. They don't say, I have time. They say, time is running. Adam was always busy. But busy is not the same as successful. Successful people focus on *** important work, not easy work. They don't fill time. They invest time ***. Every hour has a purpose. The old man told Adam, "Show me how you spend your time, and I will show you your future." Successful people spend time on learning, improving, building, growing. Unsuccessful people spend time on complaining, arguing, escaping, waiting. Time never lies. Successful people say *** no more often. No to distractions. No to useless talks. No to things that don't move them forward. They understand. Every yes costs time. Every no saves time. Adam learned this the hard way. 1 hour a day may seem small. But 1 hour every day for 1 year is ** 365 hours ***. That's enough to learn a new skill, change a career, build confidence, change a life. Successful people use small hours wisely. The old man said something powerful. Your life is not made of years. Your life is made of moments. Every wasted hour is a piece of life lost. Successful people understand. Respect time equals respect life. Money feels good, but only for a moment. Time used well creates peace, growth, pride, meaning. That feeling lasts forever. Successful people chase meaning not money. Adam changed one thing. He stopped asking, How much will I earn? He started asking, is this worth my time? Slowly his life changed. His focus changed. His future changed. Discipline is not punishment. Discipline is asterisk self-respect, asterisk asterisk. Successful people are disciplined because they value their time. They show up. They stay consistent. They don't wait for motivation. Time does not care if you are ready. Time does not slow down. It keeps moving. Successful people move with time. Unsuccessful people watch it pass. True wealth is control over your time, freedom of choice, purposeful days. Money follows people who value time. Time never follows money. Adam became successful, not because he got lucky, not because he got rich, but because he asterisk respected time asterisk. Now the question is for you. Will you trade your life for distractions? Or will you invest your time to build your future? Remember this. Money can be earned again. Time cannot. Every hour you waste is a future you destroy. Every hour you invest is a future you build. Highly successful people don't have more time. They just value it more than money. Start today. Respect your time. Protect your hours. And watch your life transform. Your time is your life. Use it wisely.